Hello, this is a quick showcase of my game engine progress in which I built with C#. Okay, it's called Sharp Engine. The solution name. I have one project only, which is engine. And yeah, this is program CS. I have OpenGL stuff and also windowing stuff. I use Silk.net library, by the way. Let me show my packages. So one of them is Silk.net, which is a very huge package. Another one is FSTB Image Sharp, which helps me to load textures to the OpenGL. Anyway, I have vertices, this is OpenGL stuff, probably, I assume you know that. I wanna show the important part, how to create Silk.net stuff, First, we create options for window, just use window options default, then extend for your needs. Then use Silk.net window.create function. By the way, this Silk window is my own naming. Actual thing is window, okay? I use it that way because I have also window name here, so that's problem. Anyway, then window has some events like load event, update, and stuff like that. Just add your own stuff there. For example, when I load my window, I make it visible, I center it, create OpenGL stuff. This GL is the context. This GL context, by the way, that is also named by me. Anyway, this update stuff. In update, I just rotate my object. By the way, let's run the stuff. You see, as you can see, basic window and Mario rotating. Anyway, what I wanna mention. So we have these transforms, which the abstraction over the metric stuff. It's very basic. It has position, scale. By the way, this is stupid. Anyway, scale, rotation, and stuff like that. Then, by the way, this is actually wrong. I wanna change it as metrics, not model or special stuff. It's just the metrics. So in the end, I first translate, then scale, then rotate. The order is reversed in metric stuff, probably. This identity also actually not needed, but who cares? Okay, yeah, that's the transform. I have OpenGL abstractions, buffer object basically helps me to create EBO and VBO, these objects. For array object, I have special this abstraction, nothing special, it does nothing special. I have shader abstraction, it looks scary, but actually it's not, it does nothing almost. I have just these helpful set uniform overloads. Anyway, this is shader. This is my texture I use in the engine. Yeah, this is the actual shaders which GPU runs. This is fragment shader. As you can see, the extension is frag. Let me show vertex first. It takes position and texture coordinates for now. It takes also transform uniform, and it gives texture coordinates to the fragment shader as frag underscore text coordinates format name. So as you can see, in vertex shader I out them, in fragment shader I in that variable. Anyway, nothing special here. I just multiply my position vector with the transform. Yeah, that's it. And also I assign the fragment shader stuff. In fragment shader, of course, we need the output for color. I take uniform U texture variable, which is the texture data. It is sampler 2D. And for the pixel color or fragment color, I get the texture color at the fragment texture coordinates. You know, basic OpenGL stuff, nothing special here. That's it, you know, nothing special, very simple. I will share all the progress video. Yeah, this was the first part. Take care yourself. Goodbye.